Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming what shell and system you're on so you know which files to change. Open Terminal, run echo $shell and swvers to get macOS and shell details, and which ZSH or which bash to locate the binary. Once done, list your home files with lsla and inspect your path. Missing /usr/local/bin is a common cause of broken commands. Make sure you have admin rights so you can move or edit dot files without permission errors. Now fix the middle layer, dot files and environment. Move your current ZSHRC or bash profile to a backup so default startup won't break. This isolates config issues. Then edit zprofile or /etc/paths to prepend needed folders like /usr/local/bin and /opt/homebrew/bin so executables are found. Next, reinstall or validate developer tools with Xcode select install and run brew doctor to hide. To finish, reload your shell with exec $shell or close and reopen terminal, then verify by running echo $path and command vgit or another binary. If commands still fail due to permissions, correct ownership with sudo chown $. Whoami on the affected directories. Make sure you target only the necessary paths. Finally, if it still breaks, check console for errors and disable shell plugins or interfering antivirus extensions. One key troubleshooting tip: try a fresh user account to determine whether the issue is system-wide or just your profile.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.